Check that out, guys. Oil drain pan plug. Extremely over-torqued oil drain pan plug, and now it's super stripped. And now it's super stripped out from people trying to get it off. I've got all kinds of extractors for stripped out hexes, but my favorite set, I actually got at Harbor Freight, believe it or not. I got more expensive ones in here, but these are my go-to. I picked out the size I wanted, hammered it on, super tight grip, and still it started chewing away at the nut more, which I didn't do all that damage. That fresh mark was from my extractor. And I put the pipe on my ratchet and it started shearing the nut more instead of taking it off. You can tell this has been extremely over torqued. And with these cast aluminum pans, you should not be over torquing them. It rips the threads out. I've seen it many times. Consistently over torquing every oil change ruins the threads on the aluminum. So let's take a stab at it. We're gonna fit this back on there, and this time I'm gonna hammer it on till it's dead flush at the end. So this is about a 7.5 inch ratchet, and we're just gonna put the pipe over it, start turning. We got pretty good grip, but it's just stripping it out. You see that? No bueno. It's just eating it more and more. Let's try it again. I got more of a flush bite on it now. And this is how good of a grab I got. I'm using the weight of the tire to really give me some leverage. Right there should be enough to bust the drain plug loose. Yep, it's starting to eat the metal now. Just eating the metal up. I feel like the hex on the front is about to shear right off from how much torque's been on it. Fun times. Never found an oil drain plug I couldn't take off with some extractors, vice grips, or whatever, but I have seen this on the internet before. Thought I'd try it. Grab yourself a little wrench. I just ground off the chrome plating on it. Got my welder right there. Let's go ahead and weld that wrench on. A 12.11 millimeter hammered on pretty well, pretty tight. Now let's fill in that with some weld. Looks pretty good to me. While it's still hot, let's try to break it free. All right, let's see what happens now. Got some good torque on it. Some good torque. See what happens. Nope. Just broke the weld right off. Let's try it again. All right, this time instead of welding the 12-point ratchet on, hammering it on too, by the way, I went ahead and welded all around the back of that solid oil drain pan plug. See, all the way around, all the way around. Wrench to the back side, filled in the middle. Let's see if she holds this time. And that is success. Now that it's broken free, I have to just take my angle grinder and chop this wrench off. All right, there we go. Wrench is broken off. Probably gonna be a little toasty still. Gonna use all my finger strength. Get the bucket lined up. So yeah, as soon as it broke free, it's like butter. So it's just like over torqued, stuck just right there. You know when you crack something free and And, I did not have that lined up. You break something free, and like as soon as you break free, it's finger loose. That's exactly what this oil pan was. I didn't think that one was gonna go shooting that far. Looks like it was well overdue for an oil change. Looks pretty nasty.
For about 3 weeks.
I was worried that the threads would be compromised after it finally broke free, but if you look, this side's looking good. But look at that. Yeah, those threads look just fine. Over on this side, oil looks nasty. Focus, you son of a bitch. How do I focus on shit? I know there's a way. But check out all that weld. So that's the wrench hammered onto the hex with weld all the way around. So it wouldn't break free. And then the wrench chopped off right there. Weld filled in the middle. That's a lot of weld for an oil pan plug. Now if we look inside the oil drain pan plug, those threads right there, they look perfectly fine as well. No damage, so beautiful. I was gonna be worried. But everything turned out all right. You win some, you lose some. Well, I do believe that was the most over-torqued little oil drain plug I've ran into. For a little one like that, it took a lot of foot-pounds to come off. I wish I would have been filming the first time I put the extractor socket on it and got a really good bite, and I was reefing on it with the bar. And that's when I was like, all right, this is something special, let's film. So you went to the store and brought me an oil drain plug. We busted it out, and it's too small. Look at that, too skinny. So I just grabbed my OMT oil pan drain plug repair kit. I made a video on this. It comes with your crush washers and sizes and whatnot. So we need this one. Yeah, we could cut a hex into this with an angle grinder on the fly, but I got this kit laying around. This is the right size right here. Grab one of those crush washers with it. And this engine should have one like this. You see how it's got that rubber seal? But this will do in a pinch.